So hello guys, welcome to Text Time, and in my previous video I've told you about that how you guys can easily install WordPress into your PC or laptop. Now today I will be teaching you about the basics of WordPress, introducing you to these tools of WordPress very easily. So first of all, you need to go to your browser and search localhost. After searching the localhost, you have to click on the access WordPress. This is the continuation video of my previous video. You can check my video in the playlist, for which I will give the link in the description below. And after this is the basic blog website that you will get for the first time. Now to go to your admin panel, you just need to click on WP-. You have to search WP-admin into your localhost, and here you need to put the credentials. Now here is the dashboard that we will get after logging in to our WP admin panel. Now first of all, this is the home section where all the basic news and the content and the basic aspect of the WordPress would be given. You can customize your website from the section called customize your site, but we will be dealing with it later. From the update section, you can check which plugin or which theme or which things need to be updated. Well, what are plugins, what are themes, I will be telling you all about it in my upcoming videos. Whatever I will be able to tell you today, I will try my best. Next is the post. Now in post section, well, you might have seen a lot of blog websites where you might have seen these posts. You can post content in the post section. You just need to click on the add new, and you can write anything that you need your viewers to see on your website. Well, this is a blog section, so you can, let's say I'm gonna put my heading as text time. Now I will be hello subscribe. You can also edit some images, like we call it the featured images. Now this featured images section is quite useful when it comes to giving your website a good look. Let's say I've put a featured image over here, and after it I will going to publish from over here. I'm going to click on publish. Let's check our website in localhost. I'm going to access my WordPress, and as you can see that my posts have come on the first page of the blog section. I will also be telling you that how you guys can customize your website in a very experienced manner, very professional manner that you have seen any other websites online. We will be dealing with from the basic to the very professional website development on the WordPress. Now I have introduced you with the blog section, with the post section. Now we will be going to the categories and tags. Well, this is not right now your part to learn more about. If you are dealing with the blog section, blog website, then it might be useful to you dealing with the posts that you're making. Categories are simply nothing but, now let's say you have a blog website, okay, so you have to write content on a lot of things. Let's say you have to write content on hacking, you have to write content on Android development, so you have to tell your audience, you have to tell your public that okay, I have these categories under which you can see the multiple posts. So this is what categories is all about. Now here is the media section. In the media section, here is a library where you can see that I've recently added a photo. You can add the videos, photos, and the files that you need your users to see on your website, and also to download from your website directly. Now here are the pages. Now pages are quite different from the post. Now pages represent a great value for your website. Now let's say, what is home? Home is also a page. It is a default page made for the website. You might have seen about us page. Now about us page also comes under the page section. It does not come in the post section. I will be dealing with the difference between the post and the pages in very deep manner. If you want to learn about the post and the pages difference, if you do not get it, well, it's a simple thing. You can search in Google, or I will be telling these things a lot in my next upcoming videos. Now next is the comment section. Now here comment section is useful for the websites that are dealing with the blogs, or not the websites like e-commerce and other websites do not deal with the comment section. Well, comments are simply that if you made a blog, you posted a blog, and some of your user commented on it, so you can just filter out the comments. If you see those comments as spam, or you want to reply to those comments, or you want to see in a bulk that how many comments are coming to your blogs, these all come under the comment section. Now coming over the appearance section. Now, appearance of the website matters a lot. Now, first of all, in the appearance section, we can see that here are the themes. Now, currently we are working on the 2020 theme. Let's say I want to add more themes. Well, you can find a lot of themes for WordPress on Google. WordPress has a very vast community when it comes to helping out with the themes and plugins. You can search out the websites very easily in the WordPress, but right now my connection is not with the internet, so we are going to go with the default themes. Let's say from here I can go to my visit site section. Let's see, this is my current default theme. Now I want to change the theme, so I can do what is go on to add new and upload a new theme which I have downloaded from the third party, or I can just click on over here and activate this theme. Well, this is just for the demo. We will not be dealing with these themes in my upcoming videos. We will be dealing with some very good themes for which I will be providing the links in the description below also. Those themes will be the premium giveaway, so keep connected to the channel so you can learn about the WordPress in a very awesome manner. And let's see that what changes does our website go when we converted our theme. We changed our theme and you can see that it changed a lot of our website. Well, this is looking a really unprofessional website right now, but I'm just giving you the basic aspects, so it's gonna be looking unprofessional right now. But we will be dealing on the websites like MLM, multi-level marketing website, how to refer and earn, and many more websites, good blog websites. We will be dealing with the SEO part also and everything. And I will be teaching you that which plugins should be used for which kind of task and how you can get the hundreds of dollars of plugins and themes without spending even a single penny. So let's go to the next part, that is the customize section. In the customize section, it depends upon the website whether you want to customize it to the default WordPress customization, or with every theme you get your own customizer. Every theme you download, if it is a pro theme, like you have paid for it, or it is a premium theme which I will be providing you, then it comes with a good dashboard of its own. Well, this is the default customization dashboard. From here you can go to the site identity and you can see over here in the site title I can change my site's name. Let's say I want to just name my site is textile now, and from here the tagline I want to is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna click on publish and it's gonna change my title. Let's see, you can see over here textile and awesome site. Well, you can edit this thing as per your demands, and here are the colors. You can change your colors. Like I'm gonna try to change my color. As you can see, the changes that are made to my images through this color section. Well, these are some basic things that I'm going through. We will not be dealing with these things. We will be dealing with some good plugins, premium plugins. And here's the menu section. Well, menu section is one of the most important part of the website. If your website do not deal with the menus, then it do not attract most of the users, because your public needs to search your website through menu bar. So menu bar is really important for the website. Now you can create your own menu, like going to create new menu. I'm going to click on the menu. Let's name this menu new. I'm going to click on primary and click on next. Now I'm going to add some items in the menu bar. Let's say I want to create a home page. That will be the default one. I'm going to create a sample page. Let's say I want to create a new page. Let's say hello world. Now I'm going to publish it. Now you can see here is the menu that is coming over here, sample and hello. Now I can also do this in my menu section. Let's say second hello. I added this new page, but I dragged it a little bit to the right side, and what change it will make on my website is when I hover to my hello world, it will create a sub menu. Now doing this creates a sub menu for the parent menu. Now here the parent menu is hello world, and the second hello is the another sub menu that I have created under the WordPress section. Now this is the menu section that we have dealt with today, and now we will go into the widgets part. Now widgets are some useful tools that you can use on your website if necessary. Now here comes the sidebar and everything. Now for example, in the widget, here is the search bar. Now for every website you need a search bar for sure. Now users need to search for anything on your website, that is called the widget. Now recent post, like what post you have made recently, will come under the recent post. All these can be removed and added from the widget section. Let's say I don't want a search bar, so I removed, and it's gonna get removed. And if you want to add more widgets, you can click on the add widget, and from here you can choose as many widgets as you want to as per your requirements. Now I will be going back. Now in homepage settings, you do not need to worry about these. Let's say you don't want your homepage to look like a blog website. Your website is about something else. You are going to go on the homepage setting, and under your homepage display, you are going to select a static page. Now what will it do? Rather than showing the recent post on your website, it will going to show a particular homepage which you want to deal with. Let's say I want to customize another homepage for my website. So I'm going to click on home and click on add, and this will be the sample page. This will be the default page for my own website. I'm going to publish it right now, and we will be dealing with these things later on in a professional manner. Now in additional CSS, these things also might be needed in future, because if you have some coding knowledge, you can change the look of your website with these CSS codes also. Now here, as you can see, we have a theme editor. Now in the theme editor, you can edit your themes and some backend editing with the help of the coding knowledge. Well, this coding knowledge, in this section, the coding knowledge is required. If you do not have proper knowledge about this HTML, CSS or PHP, do not even think about editing this section. Now here is the theme editor section. You have to click on I understand, and you can change a lot of things from these editing codes. You can see that how is this website made through the perspective of the code section. And if you are a beginner in the WordPress editing but you have the knowledge of the coding, then this section might be the greatest thing for you on the section WordPress, because having the knowledge of coding and giving that coding a touch of WordPress will give you a really good output of the website. Now coming over the plugin section, well, you might not be aware of the plugins that we will be dealing about, but plugins are the most essential part of the WordPress website. Without a plugin, you cannot expect a WordPress website to be run properly, to be created properly, and all these plugins are important. Let's say you want to edit a website in a very extreme manner. There is a very popular editor plugin that is called the Elementor Pro. You can search about it on the website. It is made dedicatedly for the WordPress, and it is one of the best editor for WordPress out there. It actually costs around $100 or $200 in currency, but I will be giving you these plugins for absolutely free in my upcoming videos, as we will be dealing with these plugins properly. We will not be dealing with the plugin editor because we do not want to touch the things that are already made from other developers, because if you have little knowledge about these plugins, well, we will be dealing about the plugin editor, but in our upcoming videos when we will be dealing with the e-commerce websites. In the user section, you can see that which user has registered on your website and has an account on your own website. You can add or remove these users and give them role. Let's say I have my own role as administrator. I can remove these roles. I can even edit these roles. I can even add new users to my website from my admin section and from my user panel section. Now from the tools section, you can see that I have some options like import, export. Now these import and export data, let's say you need to create some backups. You have created a lot of posts and a lot of things on your website. You need to export that data to somewhere for the backup reason, or to transfer it to some another website. Then these import and export sections are very useful for your website. Now coming to the settings section. Now in the general setting, you can even change the site title, tagline, and everything over here. If you want your users to register on your website, by default it's unticked. You have to just click on anyone can register, and you can even give them role you want your users to get when they sign up to your website. Well, for now we will going to keep it on subscribers, but I will also be teaching you that how you can create new roles, and you can transfer these roles as per the sign up process of the user. Now these are the time zones. You do not need to worry about the time zones and anything, and you have to click on save changes. And there are many other things like permalinks, media, discussion, reading. We will be telling about these in our upcoming videos, but for right now you have got the basic idea of what WordPress is, what WordPress dashboard looks like, and how it's gonna work. So we will be dealing about everything step by step, and I will be teaching you that how, and I will be taking the example of a website. We will work on a website, and you can also create that website. We will be working on it. You can create on your own project of the WordPress, and we will create a new website for you guys together, and we will learn this website from the very core to the very expert level. So I will be teaching you guys in my upcoming videos a lot of information about WordPress. Till then, bye bye, see you later.